loader digging with an advantage down the backstretch. 3 wide down the backstretch. Battle for 4, 5, and 6.
Good morning, guys. So this is day 2 of our big snowstorm here. So far we're in a break right now. I am headed into work. Don't worry. So far everything's good. I think we got overnight we got about at my house at least I got about 6 inches of snow. So got up early this morning, plowed the driveway, and decided I was gonna try to make it into the shop because I'm not sure if we're gonna go anywhere tomorrow. D&K powder coating, where we always go. Thank goodness I got there yesterday. They did shut down today. A lot of businesses, a lot of schools closed for like the next 2 days. But so right now it doesn't look too bad, but they say that this is the lull in the storm. And so this is just kind of a little bit of my morning commute. This is what the roads look like. Not too bad, honestly. If I had to pull a trailer and go to powder coat, I probably would. The highway that leads me to this off-road here was good. 1 lane, no ice. So far so good. So we'll see what it's like throughout the day and overnight. So alright, just wanted to check in with you and show you what it's like over here in Minnesota land. We got this car just come off the jig. I think this is 29, 23. So this one's just about to come off. We got Paul over here working on just trying to get stocked up on some parts. So he's doing some ARMs just so we have some stuff in stock. I don't know what's going on over here. We got a big old mess. Paul's blah 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 blah. So then this car is getting ready to go to a customer, so it's getting assembled and tinned. But I'm gonna kind of save. We got some stuff going on here. I'm gonna kind of save this a little bit because this is something that obviously this is gonna be a USRA car, I believe, because it's got a quick change in the cockpit pulled off or pulled in there. But anyways, we're doing something a little bit different. I'll show you the making of it a bit later, and I'll show you the finished product of it. I believe we have some of these units in stock. Complete quick change is about $33.99, so plus freight shipping. So if you're in the market for a quick change, give us a holler. This one's gonna go in this car, set car back here. So here's another view. So yeah, I'll find a place to stick you and watch you do some truck work. Alright guys, so this is your morning ride height check in the snow. Oh, look at that. What does that read there, Patrick?
Where are we at? We've got, where are we at? 4 inches.
There you go.
Right there.
So 4 inches here. So fun times. Come up here where the drifts are and we'll probably
4 3/4 or 5.
So I don't know how many more ride height checks we're gonna get before we lose the ride height, but that's what we got going on.
That'd make a cool video.
wanted to show everybody Stormy's new sweater. And then we're gonna sneak out back here real quick. We're gonna sneak out back. Stormy's gotta stay in. Alright, we got this car getting ready to come off the jig here. I believe this is number 30, so moving right along. Patrick's fixing the stools that don't seem to stay tight.
The wheels wanted to fall off of this bus.
The wheels wanted to fall off this bus. So he's just got a little bit left to do on this car before it comes off. Looks like weld up some door bars and call it good. We got quick changes on hand. So Luke is welding up some quick changes over here. So we'll get those assembled and welded up for anybody that's in the market for a quick change. We got Ben over here doing some body work. Painting up some stuff here. And then we did just ship a car that's going to be headed to looks like Kansas. So we got this Butte flat black with some white interior, truck full of parts. So we don't say you have to order it step 1, step 2, step 3. You can kind of order it any way you want. So you can see this car, we had the interior put in and assembled the brake lines, and then they're gonna take it home and assemble it all themselves. So this car is headed to Kansas City.
Lakeside Speedway, here it comes.
So Lakeside Speedway will have a new B&B racing chassis stock car coming your direction. Young driver. So yeah, there we go. Alright, so today we are at DLC in New Ulm, Minnesota, and we are with Tim. And he is going to, we get a lot of our parts lasered out here, so he's going to walk us around and just kind of do a little showcase on what DLCL does here.
Alrighty, so this is our shop. We've been here, we just put it up about 3 years ago. We moved into a really big facility compared to what we were at. So it came with a lot of changes to the company. We're able to do a lot more capacity. So yeah, we're cranking out a lot of parts, and I can show you some of the machines we got here.
Alright.
So this is a CO2 laser, cut steel, aluminum, stainless, up to 1 inch thick. The aluminum, stainless, 1.5 inches on the steel side. Yeah, just program everything and cut parts for whoever needs some parts. We have 4 CO2s. Number 5 is getting installed right now, and then 1 fiber laser, which is a little different technology, and we can go take a look at that.
Okay.
Yeah, this is just some 1/2 inch stuff that some people might say is really thick for them to cut, but we do this stuff all day. We have 3 CO2s that basically cut 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch all day, every day. So we keep all them busy with the thicker plate. That's kind of what we're known for, being able to do the thick stuff that a lot of other people can't. So, and over here is the fiber. So this is a fiber machine, totally different technology. Instead of the CO2 using mirrors, reflecting beam everywhere, this is just a fiber cable, able to cut a lot thinner stuff at super fast speeds. This machine basically does a lot of the thin gauge, mostly a lot of the parts for B&B. So this is the machine that runs on. The speed is night and day difference from like the CO2s to the fiber. So therefore a lot of the thinner gets cut on here just for the speeds.
Okay.
And you want to see the brake too.
Sure.
And we do form, we have a 14-foot, 360 65 ton, I believe, press frame. That somebody needs some parts formed, we bend them. We cut and form only, no welding here, maybe in the future, but so he's bending some parts over here. Yeah, it's just kind of whatever they call for, we can do. He's done some 1-inch bending on here, a lot of thinner stuff, 10 gauge, 12 gauge, stuff like that. But a lot of capabilities, a lot of different variety of bends, and whatever they need, we'll try to figure it out. And if we need to, we'll order some special stuff for it.
So this would be where maybe like our roof supports that we've recently been doing, this is where these would be bent?
Yep.
Bent up our seat mounts?
Yep.
There, yep.
Yep. I think, yeah, there's a few things that we do for you.
Yep.
So yeah, and then we'll ship it out.
Okay.
But yeah, this is our new building.
Yeah, and
starting to fill up pretty fast.
yeah, and for those of you, I mean, obviously we never did a spotlight before, but where you were downtown, that was maybe like, I feel like it was like a corner of your what you have right now.
This is about 36,000 square feet, and we were in a 9,000 square foot building.
Yeah, so quite a difference.
Yep. So it was a good change. So we're growing, and
It's awesome.
we'll see what happens.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time and telling us about DLC, and I will post a link to their website in the comments below.
Alrighty.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.